officially trading under its demand zone. We're going to look at MasterCard here on the weekly chart. You can see we're just outside of this 490 area. That is going to be our last leg of this overall demand zone. About a $30 wide channel in here, 522, about 490. This past week, we closed below it, sitting at 484, currently down around $17 on the day from the previous day's close. Going forward in here, what are we looking at depending on what time of gap ups or gap downs we get as we open up the new week? More or less, that 490 is going to be our first resistance. Anything outside of there, we're going to keep all eyes on this 9-day EMA sitting right here at that 512.94 mark. To the downside in here, what are we looking at? Well, our looks like our max pain should be right here at those 479.14s. But if that does not hold, then we're going to be looking down here right around that 465 area for some nice footing. Now, as far as our overall RSI goes, we are down here in our lower 30s. So it's sitting at 34 currently. So a little bit oversold here on our RSI. Our volume is relatively elevated compared to itself over the previous 6 months or so, as you can tell. So if we do get a little pop in here, look to get back into this overall demand zone, and then we can have kind of all eyes on that 500-day psych level. Your IV ranking here is sitting right around 40, so that gives us right around a $16 expected move priced in by this Thursday's expiration. The following Friday, right around 22 bucks. If you go all the way out to your monthlies, it's looking like right around a $34 expected move being priced in by your options traders. So again, just to reiterate, we are officially out of that demand zone, but depending on what kind of gap up or gap downs we could climb back up in here to that demand zone yet again, which we only have to get above that 490. Then we can kind of have all eyes on that 500 psych level. Anything outside of there, we're looking at 512. To the downside in here, we're going to be looking at 479, and then we're looking right here at that 465 area. So let's see what happens as we open a new week overall in MasterCard. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.